Hello guys, I am Dipen Bishwas, SEO expert, top rated plus freelancer in Upwork. Today, I will show you a law website organic traffic increase. So let's get started. Go to report sheet. Before the organic traffic was, here is the screenshot. Open this URL. Can you watch? The organic traffic was 31 before. After work the result, I will show the result live. So back to the report sheet and copy the website URL. Copy the website URL and paste it here. This website. So this organic traffic, for checking, I use the SEMrush tool. So copy the website URL and go to the SEMrush account. Refresh here. Here is the pasting my website URL. This website URL. So paste and search. Please sometime wait. Oh, get. I think you watching this. Now this website organic traffic increased from 31 to 159. Most of the traffic from USA. Can you see? This is the law websites the potential customers get from USA. So if you are interested to grow your law website, organic traffic and another business, you can contact me. My website name is dipenbishwas.com. So I will tell the spelling. Dipen Bishwas.com and hit the enter button. Here is the contact button. You can click here and here is the contact phone numbers. These numbers have WhatsApp. If you have any query or consultations, you can contact me WhatsApp number directly, or you can contact another systems. So you can type my name in any search engine, Google, Yahoo, Bing, any search engine. You can text my name, Dipen, Dipen Bishwas, and hit the enter button. You can watch the LinkedIn. this is my LinkedIn profile. Yes, you can watch the LinkedIn my profile URL, okay, or Facebook's. Here is the Facebook. Here is you can contact, or others, social media, Instagram, any others things. Or if you want to marketplaces, you can find me. Most of the powerful marketplace whole the world, Upwork. So go to the Upwork account, Upwork, Upwork. Go to upwork.com and search. Here is you can type backlink. I will again the spelling name. Back, B-A-C-K, backlinks. So these keywords, backlinks. So click here and first position you can watch me. Here is the 100% job success scores and top rated plus bass I got. And work history you can check. Previous work history almost 5-star rating and helpful and satisfaction text. Here is the portfolio. You can check this if you want. So if you are interested to grow your site, you can contact me any places. So thank you very much for watching the video.